In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch. Could be a Switch Lite, Switch OLED, or the regular Switch. So what you need to do, let's start fresh by pressing the home button over here, and we need to go into the settings. So click twice on the settings icon. And by the way, what I show you next can be done with the touchscreen or using the pad and buttons, A to select, B to go back. So once you're in the settings, go down in this menu on the left side until you see System. Tap on System, and then we need to go all the way down on the right side menu until you see Formatting Options. It's the last. Then from here, we need to go all the way down again and select Initialize Console. And under it, you can already see Delete all data in the system memory. So select this. And now it will give you a small warning that everything will be deleted. So this is great in case you want to resell the unit and you don't want the next person to have access to your account, to your games, to anything actually. So you can take a look and read. It simply tells you everything will be deleted. Press Next. And now you're going to have caution. Once the console has been initialized, any data deleted during initialization cannot be recovered. So you can not go back once you click the initialize button, even if you forgot to back up something. Do you want to continue? This process may take some time. And what I suggest at this point is before pressing the initialize button, make sure that the battery of your Nintendo Switch is at least at 50% or more. Why? Because the process will take 10 minutes or again a bit more sometimes, and you don't want the battery to go dead while you're doing a factory reset, because this can break your console. So make sure that you have charged the unit before doing this, or at least 50% and more. So I'll go ahead and click initialize, and the process will start. You even have a progress bar. At this point, just put the console down because it will take a while, and come back when it is done. As you see here, it's telling me 17 minutes, but this time you see it goes down quite quickly. I think the average is 10 minutes, but again, your console can do it quicker, or it can also take a few more minutes. So let's come back when this is done. Alright, so at the end, the screen is now black. Even if I press A or B, nothing is happening. The factory reset has been done. All we have to do now is to power on the unit. So simply press the power button during 2-3 seconds until you see the Nintendo logo. Let it restart. And as you see here, the factory reset has been done, and this is the setup screen to start fresh and create a new account. Everything has been deleted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.